Unlocking the secrets of Stay Tuned for. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've probably heard quite often, especially in the context of media and announcements. Stay tuned for. This phrase is a staple in English-speaking media, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily conversations? Let's find out together. Stay tuned for is a phrase used to ask the audience to keep paying attention because something interesting or important is coming up soon. It's like saying, "Don't go anywhere. We have more exciting things on the way." This phrase is commonly used in TV, radio, and online platforms to tease upcoming content and ensure that the audience stays engaged. The term, "stay tuned," originates from the early days of radio and television. Back then, listeners and viewers had to adjust their devices, tune in, to the correct frequency to receive broadcasts. Saying, "Stay tuned," was a literal request for the audience to keep their devices set to the channel for upcoming programs. Over time, it has evolved into a figurative expression used across various media. You can use "stay tuned for" in various situations, not just in media announcements. Here are some examples. In meetings or presentations, stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll discuss the future of technology. Among friends, stay tuned for the surprise I have planned for this evening. In educational settings, stay tuned for our next lesson on English idioms. Using this phrase can add a touch of suspense and excitement, encouraging people to pay attention to what you're saying or doing next. There are several variations of the phrase that convey a similar meaning, such as, "Don't go anywhere, more to come, keep watching." These alternatives can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your preference. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "Stay tuned for," and how you can use it in various contexts. It's a powerful way to keep your audience engaged and looking forward to what's coming next. Whether you're making an announcement, giving a presentation, or just having a conversation, this phrase can add an element of anticipation. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more helpful videos on English language learning.